rim like who? Get the crown like Braun, yeah. Make it some and I'm spending some. What's the plan? Bet I get it done. It's me, yeah, neighborhood. It's me, yeah, Kimmy son. Wifey ice, yeah, freeze up. New friends, I don't need them. Checks coming by the spins. Kids eating off the reruns. If I'm not there, what's the real deal? I've been up and down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pills. I've been at it since a church.
Yeah, this is the part to make the jack go up and down. As you can see,
it's broken?
Yeah, it was a whole square piece that went down. And the square piece came across here. It went in like that. It went in that way. There was a pin running across, and when you push down the handle, it plunges down. But the pin is gone, and this piece is gone. So when you plunge down, it stays down. No way to pull it back up.
So it ain't gonna be too dangerous to use?
No. I got a pin I'm gonna put in there.
You're putting it in now?
No, 'cause I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here.
All right, Joe. Let me press stop then.
I'm probably gonna. Let's clean it up for me. And what this is the plunger that goes to a floor jack. I bought this floor jack a while back, and it's just been sitting in the garage torn up. So I actually need this jack fixed. So it was laying around. I just figured it'd be real cool to go ahead and fix it instead of buying one. Since the price of those jacks are up a little bit right now. So basically what I'm gonna do, the plunge down still works fine. So I need to put a ring in here or a loop for the pin to go through, so when it goes down it'll be able to retrieve back up. So that's basically all I'm doing. So I'll get that set up here shortly, so stay tuned. Okay, so what's going to happen, I'm going to attach this in here, and that'll ride that center, and it should be just about the right height. So I'll go ahead and I'll put that in, and I'll probably go ahead and I'll grind it down some. And after I grind it down, slide the pin through the hole, get it sized up, and take it from there. So we'll see how it works out.
Okay, this is a welding shield. Make sure you have your protective equipment.
It isn't the prettiest well, but I think it'll work. Oh yeah, it's definitely bubblegum city. Yeah, it's definitely bubblegum. So now we'll be cleaning this thing up.